fit of work, your dad would have made you go to the moss. In the good weather, the moss was the place. And if you weren't at that, you were out kicking hay. My dad would sit and looking out the window waiting for the good weather. That was it. He'd been away pairing maybe 2 days. You had to pair the top off the ground, you see, to get down into the peat. I pairing the scraw first to get up the peat. And one day I thought it was for our edge of the mountain. He was pairing away ahead of us. We couldn't get him stopped. If you were down on the hole, you breasted it. That was going straight into the moss face. But if you were starting on level ground, that was stanking. You were digging down into it. And then he put them in the wheelbarrow, maybe a dozen or 18 of them. You wheeled them out, tapped them in a big soggy lump. And then they lay there till they dried a bit, and you had to come back a couple of days and spread them all out. They used to say it's wonderful the works of a wheelbarrow, especially the trannel. There was a bit complicated bit of gear that. Castling lets the air through them better. They'll not sit when they're too soft to castle. So you just lean them up against other, and then you castle them for that. The fat one just dries them out a day or two, and then they're hard enough to castle. And that's the final, the one blows through them better like that. Good weather, a couple of weeks we done them, and then it was the drawing home. That was a big shift. You got to sit on top of the load of peats and the tractor up the road. If you got it wrong, you were in trouble. Well, you were in trouble, you were Kyler, there were no such thing as buying peat, for nobody else wanted to sell you. They needed their own. But there was getting often peats left. Yeah, they always made sure there were enough peats in. We'll just do one more load, to be sure. Aye, them were the days now. You look back on it, it's sad too. There's not enough of it. The youngest nowadays never got that experience.